what we got. Let's look at some earning shit. Earnings on, let's take it from the back. DocuSign. DocuSign got earnings. And see, I like earning. Oh, yes, 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 yes. See, this is how you play earnings, right? If DocuSign, right? Yeah, we're gonna have to take a shot on DocuSign. I haven't even looked at the fundamentals, but when the market drop like this and you have earnings around the corner and you find a good company with good finance. Oh yeah, baby. Is you crazy? We gonna do this. Yes. DocuSign. Of course. Of course. Why I sound like Jim Cramer right now?
Nah,
Of
I've been
course.
telling you all day. DocuSign. I've
Yeah,
been
yeah,
watching
yeah. No, I
them.
didn't even know why. I thought you were just saying. I'm like, okay, I see why. I see why. My bad. I see why you've been talking DocuSign. Yeah, DocuSign. DocuSign. Yes, yes, yes. This is a two-bar reversal, right? This right here is a two-bar reversal. The two-bar reversal, when you put it together, it becomes a pin bar. You can just picture it in your head, right? One bar is red, the other bar is green right after it, right? Look, long red bar followed by a long green bar, pause, right? It looks like it's erasing the bottom. No, Diddy. It's erasing the bottom. But, so if you go to, I'll be cracking myself about that. I don't care if you don't. See,
You're
so
stupid.
you see what happened? See, it's a pin bar. Because when you combine it, that's exactly what happens, right? A two bar. So if you see a two-bar reversal, it
Could you show the
it
two
has
bars again?
the two
Show the two
bars
bars.
were
Yeah.
on four, was it 4 hour? See.
Oh,
So on the 4 hour, it's two separate bars.
right.
But if you let it cook for a while on a higher time frame, it forms a pin bar.
Got it.
And so basically they have the same effect. So whenever you see a two-bar reversal at a support or a two-bar reversal at resistance, it's technically a pin bar
Okay.
if you put it together. So
Hey, you
yeah,
can look at LVS.
what, LVMH?